Welcome back to Product Critique, where we review the best products to help you make smarter buying decisions. Today, we're diving into one of the best framing screws you'll find on the market, the Wensilon No. 10 by 2-1/2 black deck screws. Whether you're working on a decking project, repairing your fence, or tackling any other outdoor woodworking tasks, these screws are a must-have for your toolbox. The Wensilon No. 10 by 2-1/2 deck screws are designed with durability in mind, made from high-quality bronze material that ensures they last long, even when exposed to the elements. This makes them perfect for exterior use, where other screws might rust or corrode over time. Speaking of rust resistance, these screws come with an advanced epoxy coating that prevents rust, making them the ideal choice for any outdoor project, whether it's a deck, shed, or any other wooden structure that faces the elements. One standout feature of these deck screws is the innovative Torx drive system. The T25 star bit is engineered to provide a secure grip, minimizing the chances of slippage while driving the screw in. This gives you not only better control but also a stronger, tighter hold on your project. You'll appreciate how easy it is to drive these screws in, without worrying about stripping the heads, which is common with other screws. This feature is especially beneficial when working with harder woods or when you need to work quickly. The size of these screws, No. 10 by 2-1/2, makes them perfect for general decking and outdoor woodworking projects. They're versatile enough for a range of applications and can handle a variety of materials, from pressure-treated lumber to softer woods. The 161-piece pack weighs 2 pounds, so you get plenty of screws for your projects without the hassle of constantly running out and making multiple trips to the hardware store. Another important aspect is the convenience of the packaging. The screws come in a reusable box, making it easy to store and access them whenever needed. You won't have to deal with loose screws scattered around your workspace. And if you're looking for a cost-effective option, these screws are priced at $15.99. which makes them a great value for anyone on a budget while still ensuring high-quality performance. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional contractor, the Wensilon No. 10 by 2-1/2 black deck screws offer exceptional performance that you can rely on. They combine high-quality materials, advanced rust-resistant coating, and a secure drive system to make sure your outdoor projects are completed with ease and precision. If you're looking to upgrade your toolbox and want screws that can withstand the elements while providing the holding power needed for secure and long-lasting builds, these deck screws are the perfect choice. They'll ensure that your project stays strong, safe, and secure for years to come. That's it for today's review on the Wensilon No. 10 by 2-1/2 black deck screws. Be sure to subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews on the best products available. Happy building, and see you in the next video.